The next part we are going to look at RAR files. So I'll cd RAR files. It uses the same concept as the zip files. So what I'm going to do, I think we are going to use the same utility but with a different. So for this one it's going to be RAR to John. I need to know the name of the file, so it's my files.rar. So RAR to John, then the name of my file, then the output. I'm going to say RAR hash. Okay, so if I cut RAR hash, you can see we have been able to extract the hash. So this hash is the one that I'll pass to John for it to crack. So I'm just going to say John. I'll use the same command, but now I'm going to recycle it. And with that, you can see we have been able to obtain the password of that particular RAR file. So let's test it. So an RAR, if I'm not wrong, then X for extract, then the name of the file. So the password is password, so password. Okay, and you can see we have been able to extract the content that was inside that particular RAR file.